Welcome back to the channel. In this short video, we're going to take a look at Three Mobile Broadband. Three Mobile Broadband is an alternative to traditional home broadband and gets you online through Three's 4G and 5G mobile network. We'll take a look at their offering, how to check coverage, and finally, have a look at the pros and cons of Three Home Broadband. Don't forget to like or subscribe if you find this content useful. Without further ado, let's jump straight in. Let's get started with a quick review of their mobile broadband offering. Three Home Broadband works over the same mobile network connection as Three mobile phones, and therefore no landline is required. Depending on the coverage in your area, you can expect average download speeds of 40 megabits per second on 4G, or 150 megabits per second if you're in a 5G coverage area. You can use the link in the description to check what coverage you have at your address. Three's mobile broadband is unlimited. You have the option of a monthly rolling contract or a 24-month contract, which always works out cheaper. At the time of publishing this video, the price for 5G broadband is £10 per month. Use the link in the description to check the latest price. You have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can order the service to test the actual speed and performance. The Three broadband router will be delivered the next working day, if you place your order before 8 p.m. Three was the award winner for Speedtest's fastest UK 5G network, in Q3 and 4, in 2023. To win this award, Three achieved a median download speeds of just over 226 megabits per second. Three boasts 99% 4G coverage, and around 60% 5G coverage across the UK. This is likely to grow with the impending merger of Three and Vodafone UK. You can use the link in the description below to check whether you have 4G or 5G available in your area. Simply enter your postcode, and the Three network coverage checker will display the signal strength available. In this example, there is excellent 4G coverage, with 3 full bars, and 5G signal is good. Once you have a general idea of the coverage in your area, scroll down the page and click on the Check Broadband link to enter your full address to confirm the actual mobile broadband service that will be available at your property. Let's try to answer the burning question. Is Three Mobile Broadband any good? Let's have a look at the pros and cons of Three Mobile Broadband. First, the pros. Three Mobile Broadband is extremely cheap, has fast next-day delivery, and is easy to set up. There is a mobile app that you can download to manage the router settings. Three's 30-day money-back guarantee allows you to order the service and test drive it at your property before fully committing. Mobile broadband is a good option for rural areas that don't have traditional broadband options available. The mobile router is portable, which means you can take it anywhere in the UK that has Three coverage. Whether it's your holiday home, caravan or the outer building, simply move it and plug it into a power outlet and you're good to go. Lastly, you have the option of a monthly rolling contract, so you can activate and deactivate the service as and when you need it. The 24-month contract works out cheaper than the rolling contract. Now let's have a look at the not-so-good elements. First on the list is fluctuation of speed. The speed you get is dependent on the coverage in your area, and other internal and external factors such as how far your home is from the nearest mast and where you place the broadband router. Three recommend that it is placed near a window. You should try different rooms in the house and leave it where you get the best signal. This is no different than when you walk around the house with your mobile phone and get better or worse signal depending on where you are in the house. 5G coverage is currently limited, but the beauty of the service is that the router will automatically switch to 4G if your 5G signal is temporarily weak, to ensure that you always have an internet connection. Use the coverage checker in the description below to see what speed you can get. Factors such as the weather can affect network signal. The final not-so-positive element is Three's customer service. There are mixed reviews on their customer service and they don't score well in this area. The upside of this is that they offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so if you're not happy with the speed or service, you can cancel the service and return their equipment. That brings me to the end of this short video. I hope you found it useful. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay up to date with these weekly videos. Thank you for viewing.